If you're looking for a good beginner camera that is also a good social media camera, then this is the one you need to check out. This is the pink one, but they also have it in black. It's 5K with 75 megapixels. When you open it up, it does have the user manual. So this is the pink one, and it does have the 180-degree camera that flips up, so you can use it that way or down. It does have 18 times zoom, and it's also good for streaming. You can connect it to your phone, do live streaming, vlogging, video calls, online classes. It's kind of like an all-in-one. You can do everything with this camera. But it's great for beginners, good point, shoot and click camera. It does have a timer, autofocus, slow motion. It does come with the strap to put on your wrist, a cleansing cloth, the battery, charging cable, and to put your card in when you're not using it. If you're looking for a great camera, go check this one out on Amazon. I'll link it below.